Okay, I've been waiting for this package all week. Let's unbox it together. Here's SlideFill from AppSumo. First impression, clean branding, looks super professional. Let's see what's inside the box. There's a welcome card and a QR code for setup. No physical product. This is a digital app, of course. I'm grabbing my laptop to dive right in, logging into SlideFill's dashboard. It's really intuitive. The interface is modern and easy to navigate. Let's try creating a presentation for a sales pitch. I upload my spreadsheet with customer data. Now SlideFill auto-generates slides for each lead. It's crazy fast. Slides are ready in seconds. Each slide is personalized with my data. No more copy-pasting or manual editing. Huge relief. I can tweak designs and content instantly. Templates look polished and business-ready. Let's check out the automation features. SlideFill connects with Google Sheets and Excel. It updates presentations automatically as data changes. This is a total game changer for sales teams. I'm saving hours compared to my old workflow. Let's try a marketing campaign deck next. Again, just upload the data and select a template. Slides are instantly tailored for each target segment. I can add charts and visuals with one click. No design skills needed, everything looks sharp. I love how it boosts my productivity. Let's talk about the main advantages. First, personalization at scale. No more generic decks. Second, true data-driven automation saves so much time. Third, it's perfect for sales, marketing, and business teams. If you handle lots of presentations, this is a must-have. I honestly wish I had this years ago. The learning curve is almost zero, super user-friendly. SlideFill keeps everything organized in one place. You can export to PowerPoint or PDF easily. Now the best part, the AppSumo deal is unbeatable. You get lifetime access for a fraction of the price. If you want to save time and impress clients, grab it. I highly recommend SlideFill for any business team. Check the link below for the exclusive AppSumo offer.